Guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find the general settings on your account on Rednote easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application as you see, and then you'll find these three lines. Click on it, and next go to the settings, and here you will find the general settings. Click on it, and now as you see, you can manage your section as you like. Here you will find languages, font size, you can use system default fonts, the dark mode, automatically audio, anything you want, and that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.